I'm Ken Hinkley, and I got some outdoor blinds through Australian Outdoor Living. The reason we wanted the blinds was to make it a more living area out here. We've got a great area outside where we've got the pool and we've got the beautiful weather in Adelaide, so we get an opportunity to live in it a bit more, and by putting the blinds in it made this area more usable for the whole year. Look, I had some fantastic support through the people of Australian Outdoor Living and the way they looked after me from the very first time that we got the opportunity to come out and quote for it. Everything was done really professionally. Within moments I had the quote, I had the decisions to be made, I knew exactly when the blinds were coming, and then the fitting and the installation of the blinds was first class. I couldn't be more pleased with the service that I got from Australian Outdoor Living. We couldn't be more pleased with the smoothness that they operate, the quietness that they operate, and the protection they provide us. And we've now got this room added onto our house just through basically having these blinds installed. It's a great space now. I mean, it's a really usable space for us as a family, and then for me, even through my work with the footy club. You can have people around, you have guests around. You've got a great facility now that you can come in out of the weather, or you can open the place up, and you can have a bit of both. That's the beauty of the blinds. Recommending Australian Outdoor Living is a no-brainer for me. It's so easy. The quality of the service that I've got, and the installation, the quality of the product, I couldn't be more pleased with them. And anyone who's looking for anything to do with Australian Outdoor Living, they're the right people. Go and see them; they'll help you out.